Hey everybody, this is Mark Callahan, the MC of Real Estate, and we are looking at a new listing at 164 Sugar Tree Lane in Versailles, Kentucky. Let's go check it out. Built in 2017, this 2,072 square foot condo comes equipped with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. The home opens to an open floor plan, starting with the living room kitchen combo. The living room has a gas fireplace and a remote control starting device. Most of the first floor, aside from the bedroom and laundry room, is beautiful hardwood flooring. The back door leads to a cozy patio area. The grass, snow removal, and all exterior maintenance is covered by the condo association. Right off the living room is a good-sized primary bedroom. Most of the furnishings are negotiable. Through the double doors is a large bath area. Double vanities, and a walk-in closet. Moving into the kitchen, we have a dining area and plenty of counter space on beautiful granite countertops. The bar stools are included. Off of the kitchen is the second bedroom, used here as an office. And right across the hall is the second full bath. There is also a laundry room, and off of the laundry room is a large 2-car garage. Vehicle not included. The third bedroom is located on the second floor. There is an open, wide space and a lot of good lighting. Down the hall, there is the third full bath. There is also a very large walk-in closet and a door that leads to a partially floored attic space. We hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Call today for your own personal showing.